Hi, ma'am. What would you like to order?
Um, um,
Order, ma'am. Order.
so this was me a few years ago. I went to a fancy restaurant and the server welcomed me with a smile, and that made me so nervous that I froze. I could not say a word. But now I'm very confident and can go to any restaurant and place an order without getting nervous. Do you want that confidence too? So let's make it fun. First, we are going to practice together some sentences that we generally use there. So we are prepared. Some important phrases I'm going to discuss with you. And you also participate with me because that's how you will learn. Repeat those phrases after me. So listen how I'm pronouncing them and also notice how clearly and confidently I'm talking. Only practice can help you get better. So don't just watch, participate also. And towards the end of the video lies the fun part, where I'm going to enact a restaurant-like situation just for you. So you get to experience how I say it. A little drama towards the end, so you get a clear picture of when to say what. So don't miss it and watch it till the end. Let's go. Hi, we have a reservation under the name Tanu Sardana. Could we get a table by the window if possible? Maybe have a few minutes to look at the menu? What would you recommend from the chef's specials? I'll have a mocktail. What would you suggest? I'll have the chef's special, please. Is it possible to make it less spicy? Or could you please serve the sauce on the side? Could we have the bill, please? May I get the check? Great job! So now we have learned key phrases where we go to a restaurant, we have to speak to the server or the waiter. So now it's time for the fun part where I show you the situational dialogues, and let's find out how these phrases can help you in a real life situation. Hello, welcome to PlanetSpark restaurant. Hi, we have a reservation under the name Tanu Sardana. Let me check. Yes, come this way, ma'am. Could we get a table by the window if possible? Yeah, sure. Let me show you the way. May we have a few minutes to look at the menu? Certainly. Let me know whenever you are ready to order. So, are you guys ready to order?
I will have a mocktail. What would you suggest?
If you enjoy something light, our citrus mocktail is a great option. What would you recommend from the chef's specials? Ma'am, I would highly recommend the chef's special pasta. It's one of our most popular dishes today.
Is it possible to make it less spicy? I can't have spicy.
Certainly, ma'am. I'll inform the chef to keep it mild. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Will that be cash or card?
Card!
See? Ordering food and talking to people is actually not scary at all. You just need a little practice, and once you practice enough, the fear slowly, poof, goes out of the window. And honestly, that's where PlanetSpark fits into your life. We have already helped thousands of kids become confident speakers on stage and off stage. And the best part, parents trusted us with their kids, and that trust means everything to us. Now listen to this. The first class is completely free. No pressure, no commitment, just come, experience it and see the change for yourself. You want the best for your child, we know that, I know that, and we get it too. So give us one chance and I'm pretty sure you'll be happy that you did. Just check the description box, book your free trial class and join the PlanetSpark family. Go on, don't overthink, I'm going to be right here. Till then, keep learning. And yeah, this is me, Tanu Sardana, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.